I am excited today because I am opening my very first live kefir grains. I'm gonna make some kefir. Okay, let's have a look at this. I have never done this before. I ordered some on Amazon. These are live kefir grains, 10 grams. Apparently they come with instructions and everything. So let's take a look. I have never made kefir in my life, so I always bought some. Okay, so that's everything in an envelope. Okay, here's instructions. Comes with instructions, it's good. And they come in a bag that says, I ordered them from Live Kefir Company, like this. Okay, and they look like this. See, they're like sort of white, squidgy, grainy things that these little things are gonna make my kefir. I have milk already prepared, so I will share with you how I made it. Just 10 grams can only make a certain amount of kefir. And it says in the instruction that what you need is nylon sieve, plastic wooden spoon, glass or plastic container, and fresh cow's milk. Don't use semi-skimmed or skimmed. So I have whole. I bought some organic whole cow's milk. Okay, and the first day you're supposed to open the grains. They should look like a creamy color, which looks soft clusters, yeah. A little like cottage cheese or cauliflower. Place them into a container with your whole cow's milk using the ratio of 80 milliliters milk for 5 grams. So I need to measure that out. And give them a little stir to make sure that they are distributed into the milk. Cover with your cloth, muslin cloth, and leave it in a warm spot for 18 to 24 hours. Okay, let's make this. I'm going to go and get the milk and let's get it started. I have some free-range organic Yo Valley milk. I'm going to measure that out, measuring jug. This is my container, glass jar. That's where the magic is going to happen. And cloth and the rubber band to cover that up. Right, that's all I need. So now let's put the grains in the glass jar. Oh my god. Oh, they smell funny. Oh, they smell milky. Not sure if I like the smell, but you know, it isn't going to be pretty. Okay. Hope you can see that they have a funny grainy consistency. I think that's why they're called kefir grains. Okay, so okay, that's everything. Oh no, there's one left in the bag. Come on. So every single last bit of kefir grain. Okay, I'll leave the spoon inside so that it's clean. Now let's measure out. So I bought 10 grams, which means that I need 160 milliliters of milk. 150, that's about it. I have a lot of milk. I have high expectations of these kefir grains. Pour that in. Okay. Take my spoon, gently stir it. Stir it, okay, and cover it with the cloth. It's a little bit big, but never mind. By the way, the jar was thoroughly washed and then I sterilized it in the oven. So at about 180 degrees for 15 minutes to make sure that it's properly clean. Okay, now that's it. And I am supposed to leave it now for 18 to 24 hours in a warm location. I have a warm cupboard in the house, so I will probably put it there and then I'll check it tomorrow and then we can take a look.